NLCC LLC offers professional siding installation services in Boise, Idaho that improve curb appeal while protecting properties from harsh weather. Durable, high-quality siding materials are installed with precision to enhance insulation, strength, and long-term exterior performance. NLCC LLC also handles window and door installation to help improve energy efficiency and overall exterior appearance. Additional services include siding repairs and customized exterior solutions for residential and commercial properties. NLCC LLC is supported by a skilled team with hands-on experience in siding, windows, and doors.